Namaste student. Hello, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying all our videos. See this activity session for you people only. So enjoy it, practice it and your work you have to send through the WhatsApp. So we feel very glad and very happy to do the next videos. Okay. Today in this video we are going to learn Rangoli painting. Rangoli painting, it's a one type of painting. In this painting we will use colors, Fevicol and Rangoli. Especially more use of Rangoli. Instead of Rangoli, other things also you can use. That I will say you later. Now I have drawn one peacock picture. This is a cardboard. Take cardboard, draw any picture of any bird or any other design also and then cut it in this way. After cutting you will get in this way. Then other things I need, those are the color rangoli. If I need, I will use white rangoli. Take Fevicol, put little water in that and mix it well. This is a color. These are the fabric colors and 2-3 size of brush. These are the material which I need. So after the cutting, first I will outline it. After the outline, I will start painting and then rangoli pasting work. One by one we will do this. So I will start first outline. For the outline, I can choose any color, but I am going to choose here black color. So black color pen, using this, I will make the outline in this way. Brush size should be medium. Do the outline properly. And while doing outline, don't use water in the color. Direct color you have to use. Stop. Okay, see student, outline is completed. Then our next work is we are going to color these shapes. We are going to put rangoli colors in these boxes. How we are going to apply? See, I have taken some Fevicol and put little water in this, mix it well. And this Fevicol water you have to apply on these boxes in this way. While applying this water, take little only and spread it properly, because just now we have given this outline in black color, so it should not spread. Okay, so one shape is completed. Use waste material to clean your hands. See, applying Fevicol is completed. Now I will take this color and I will spread it in this way. Spread it everywhere, spread it properly. Using only 2 fingers to spread it. Okay. See, in this way it's completed. The next shape. One more time we have to apply Fevicol water. Apply Fevicol water inside the shape only. Okay. Now I will take this pink color and I will spread in this way. Apply it properly. done and I have colored it brown. Now next I will take blue color and I will put this blue color everywhere. Okay, let us start coloring part. Clean your brush properly and color dark. Okay. Color it very carefully. See student, color work is completed. This whole part blue color we have given. This is a brown color and these are the different colors. So our multicolor peacock is going to ready. But the work we left this two area. So we will finish this. First we will complete eye. For the eye, take first sky blue color. Now here I don't have sky blue color. So I will take white and navy blue color and I will color it. Color carefully. Take blue color, little only. Take some water and shade it. Then only it will look as a sky blue color. See? Okay. This area is completed. Now I will clean my brush first. Clean your brush properly. Now I will take yellow color. 3 layers are here. Okay. Do in this way. This is very delicate area. So do it slowly. Okay. Over. Now I will clean brush once again and I will take white color. Okay, so eye work is completed. Our peacock eye is ready. Do it very slowly, very carefully. Okay. Now, here I will take different colors. First I will take red. And here 3 circles are there. Those 3 circles I will color it. Here you don't use water. Direct color you have to use. So this should be direct, attractive and dark. Okay. See, completed. Clean your brush once again. Here orange and yellow color I am going to use. Two lines of yellow. and one line of orange. Okay, this part is completed. The next feather decoration we have to do. This is the last step of our peacock. After this, our activity will complete. See, for this, I will use gum. In this way, you apply gum. These are the strips of different colors. Here I am going to use different rangolis. See, in this way. After white, I will take blue color. After doing this, let it dry properly. Okay. See, this color is finished. Now I will apply once again gum. Don't take more gum. Strip size should be same, so do it carefully. Otherwise, take pencil, draw the lines, and then you can do it. The last, I will use red color. Take all attractive colors. You can change the color combination also. I am going to do one shape here, semicircles. While applying gum, you have to do this shape by the brush only. Okay, see, completed. This is the last step. Here we will complete our activity. This is second activity. You have to do it, and after doing, you have to show me the photos. Use best things. If the things are needed and you are not available in the home, then you can buy it. Okay. See student, last we are going to use sparkle powder. For that, you apply Fevicol in this way, Fevicol or gum, anything. One line of this and spread this sparkle on that so that it will paste. But let it dry it properly. If you dry now, it will look nice and it will be fix it properly. using brush. With the help of brush you can spread it properly. One more line I will finish. Do it properly. This gum only spread in this way. Okay, spread it properly and then see, our multicolor peacock is ready. After this extra rangoli we have to take out in this way. Just you push it and it will come out, and our shining and multicolor peacock is ready. In this way you complete this activity and send me the photos. Thank you, student.